Today we dealt with patterns with fives and zeros. I'm going to show you two different patterns that you'll see when you have a number that has a 5 and followed by zeros with even digits, and then I'll show you the same thing, 5 followed by zeros with an odd digit. Alright, so what I mean by fives and zeros, let's say for instance we have 50. Alright, we're going to say 50, oops, gotta switch it this way. 50 times, let's say 400. Just like what we did yesterday, we're going to start off by multiplying our non-zero digits. So in this case we have 5 and 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. Unlike yesterday, these non-digit numbers already start off with a 0 in their answer. Alright? But we still need to add on the extra zeros to it. So we're going to add on 1, 2, 3 zeros at the end. So what you'll see is that whenever we have an even digit, so 50 times an even digit, or 500 times an even digit, or 5 times an even digit, it's going to have one extra 0 added onto it. You see this in your regular multiplication here. Let's see, 5 times 2. 5 and 2 don't have any zeros in it, but our answer 10 has 1 0. So our product of 10 has one more 0 than the factors in 2 and 5. Now let's say we have, alright, 500 times, let's do 800. We know 5 times 8 is 40. As you can see, it already has a 0 in it. But we're still going to add on the extra 4 zeros that came with those factors. Oops, I put the comma in the wrong place. So in this case, we have 400,000. So once again, whenever you have an even digit, so in this case we had 4, we had 2, we had 8, we're going to have one extra 0. Alright, now let's take a look at our odd digit. So let's say 50 times 70. Well, we know 5 times 7 is 35. Now what you'll see is that odd digits, 5 times an odd digit, will always end with a 5. So in this case, we don't have any extra 0 here. We just have the same amount. There you go. I'm going putting my comments in the wrong place again. Sorry. Let's try that one more time. So let's say 5 times, let's do 300. 5 times 3 is 15. As you can see, 5 and times an odd digit ends with a 5 at the end. And then there's 1, 2 zeros. And that's our answer there. Let's try one last one. Do 500 times, let's do 90. 5 times 9 gives you 45. And there's 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we're going to add on 3 zeros here. And there goes our answer. So once again, with even digits, there's going to be one extra 0. With odd digits, it's going to be the same. Alright.